Seagulls Chaiki version. People often see seagulls as ordinary birds of the coast, loud, curious, sometimes annoying. But seagulls are actually guardians of the threshold, creatures that live between three worlds: the sky, the land, and the sea. They are not fully of one realm, and that is their power. Seagulls read movement, not objects. They don't think in straight lines, they think in flows. Wind currents, wave rhythms, human intention, emotional fields. That's why they seem chaotic. But they are not. They respond instantly to shifts in energy. A seagull doesn't plan like a human. It listens. Their nervous system is tuned to change. Storms, pressure shifts, emotional turbulence, they feel it before it happens. That's why sailors once watched birds more than the sky. Energetically, seagulls hold the frequency of adaptation and survival through awareness. They teach one simple lesson. Open quote. You don't fight the wind, you ride it. Close quote. They are highly intelligent, social, and deeply observant. They remember faces. They recognize patterns. They know when someone is present and when someone is distracted. That's why they come close to humans. Not for food only, because human attention leaks energy. Symbolically, seagulls are messengers of freedom without escape. They don't run from life. They stay exactly where life is intense at the edges. If you feel drawn to the sea, to places where land ends and water begins, seagulls appear as mirrors. They remind us that balance is not stillness. Balance is movement with awareness. And maybe that's why when you watch them fly, something inside you remembers how to breathe